Hi and welcome. My name is Bert Schulze and I'm part of the SAP S/4HANA Product Success Organization, heading the SAP S/4HANA Early Adopter and Customer Care programs, as well as SAP S/4HANA Co-Innovation. Our S/4HANA Customer Care and Regional Implementation Group has supported nearly 1,000 SAP S/4HANA implementations, either brownfield or greenfield, and we focus on sharing our hands-on experience with others. I'd like to give you a quick preview of the openSAP course Gain Experience with SAP S/4HANA Logistics, designed as a nutshell course. Improving customer centricity has been one of the key goals of the digitally transformed economy, delivering faster and higher quality. With the introduction of SAP S/4HANA, we have revolutionized insight to action in logistics. Material flows, production planning with demand simulations, accelerated outbound processes, transportation management, to just name a few, has been lifted to just another level. These opportunities go along with some moving parts our customers and partners need to familiarize themselves with. We'd like to offer you this course to learn about recent innovations you can leverage to accelerate your logistics, theoretically and in practical experience. If you're keen to join us, you'll be able to experience the innovations with hands-on exercises in your own cloud appliance library. And no worries, we will also explain how to get access to this kind of sandbox systems. The course is preliminary aimed for SAP customers and partners keen to learn about the most recent innovations in the logistics space of SAP S/4HANA. This course will be presented by various hands-on product experts from the Regional Implementation Group. This is a nutshell course and will be open for 5 weeks. You get access to the entire learning content and can do the course assignment anytime during this period. The learning effort is approximately 5 to 9 hours in total. Learners interested in completing the course with hands-on experience can deploy an own dedicated SAP Cloud Appliance Library, or short CAL, environment. This is a recommended step to deepen the knowledge, but not required to pass this course. The course will be completed by an online forum. This is your chance to interact with our hands-on teams. The product experts from the S/4HANA RIC will be available for discussion and answer your questions. We invite you to leave comments and share your ideas with other learners as well. If you earn the required points in the course assignment, you'll earn a course certificate called Record of Achievement and a digital badge that you can share across your social networks. Enroll now, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this openSAP course. See you soon at the start and later at the finish line of the course.